Right out of high school, I was lost. I had no idea where to start when it came to a career. I just knew college wasn't for me, and it was too expensive. My buddy told me I should consider a plumbing apprenticeship because they would pay for my schooling. I also really enjoyed spending time with my dad, who is a plumber. He showed me how to fix the leaks around the house, so I decided hands-on learning was the way to go. I enrolled in a plumbing apprenticeship program and I never looked back. Now as a fourth-year plumbing apprentice at the ABC Inc. Bar Construction Institute, I work under the leadership of Shapiro Duncan Inc., a mechanical contractor based in Rockville, Maryland. I'm currently working on Suburban Hospital in Bethesda, Maryland. This 300,000 square foot addition will also include renovations to the existing facility as part of a phased project that will allow the hospital to remain fully operational throughout the construction. We added a new chiller in the mechanical plant and 3 large generators to help support the added portion of the hospital. In addition, 2 floors of patient rooms, 14 new operating rooms, and 2 cath labs were also added. The project is designed to achieve LEED Silver certification. For the past 8 months, this project provided me the opportunity to learn about medical gas, which is really exciting. One of my proudest achievements on the project was maintaining my med gas license. I spent most of the time installing medical gas piping from the basement to the 4th floor. This work is really meaningful to me because I know patients will be breathing in the oxygen that runs through my piping. The installation requires a high level of cleanliness and delicacy in order to keep patients safe. During the duration of the project, I really enjoyed the team environment on site. It feels like one big family. I appreciate my boss and mentor who always motivated me to give 100%. I learned so many valuable skills like effective planning, organization, and timeliness that I can take anywhere. Shapiro and Duncan also provided me with enough flexibility that I could spend time with my family. Financially, joining the industry made the most sense to me, and with the right support, it continues to be very rewarding. I will continue to plan my future with a career in construction.
I'm Josue Juarez, and I built this.